What's the advantages of cross breaking compared to beating the metal?
I think cross breaking makes it stronger, but beating is a lot quicker for
A lot
us.
faster.
Yes. We just notch it and we slide it directly into our beater, and it feeds right through.
If you do a cross break, it's more time consuming too. So
Yes, we have to take it over to the break and put our bins in it, and then take it back across the shop to run our snap lock.
Yeah, I
and then
see
take
that.
it back across the shop to put our 90-degree unit right